Hello guys, this is the video in which I will show you how to get Adobe Illustrator for free. So stay tuned till the last second of this video, so let's get started. So the first step is open any browser in your Windows PC. Now the second step is open any new tab and write get into PC keyword in your URL space and press enter. Press the first link that you see. Then in search bar write Illustrator 2020 and press the go button. Now press the first search product, that is Adobe Illustrator CC 2020. When you press, you see this page. I will share this page link in description box too. When you scroll down, you can see a blue button download 64-bit and below this button you can see a password 123. I will tell you later when you will require this password. When you press blue button for download, then wait for some seconds, then automatically downloads start. It will take some time. Actually, I have already downloaded, so I cancel this download. When download complete in your PC, then press the arrow and press show in folder tab. So I open the file explorer and go to download files, and in this you can see Illustrator 2020 in zip file. I cut this zip file from here and paste in D software folder and paste here. It's your choice in which folder you want to paste this zip file. Press right click and extract files. In your case maybe password will require. Then password is 123. It will take some time to extract, so wait until extract all files. Then you can see extracted file is here. Double click this. Now the next step is turn off the internet. It will create issue if you not turn off the internet. It's a mandatory step. Okay, now double click and double click the setup. You can see the installation process starts. Press the continue button and wait. It should be internet is off, otherwise this crack version will create issue. When installation completes, then this pop-up shown in your screen install complete. So finally Adobe Illustrator is completely installed in your PC. So we can check by double clicking of Adobe Illustrator icon. And you can see successfully installed. Now you can turn on the internet. The interface of Adobe Illustrator is here. You can set to advanced by clicking three dots and check advanced option. So here it is. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more Illustrator videos. Thank you.